Jam versus jelly. What's the real difference? Most people get this wrong. Jam, jelly, preserves. Most people think they're all the same. But what if I told you they're actually very different? And here's the crazy part. You've probably been using the wrong one your entire life. That spoonful you spread on your toast this morning, it might not even be what you think it is. And once you see the difference, you'll never look at your breakfast the same way again. Welcome to Consumer's Choice Top 5, where we break down everyday things so you can make smarter choices and avoid simple mistakes. Today, we're answering a question that confuses millions of people. Jam versus jelly. What's the real difference? We'll break it down in the simplest way possible, so you can finally understand it, and never mix them up again. And stick around, because most people get the last part completely wrong. Before we jump in, hit like if you have ever used jam or jelly. Subscribe for more simple, useful breakdowns, and comment Team Jam or Team Jelly. Let's settle this once and for all. Let's keep it simple. Jam equals crushed fruit. Jelly equals fruit juice. That's it. But don't click away yet, because that one difference changes everything. So what is jam? Jam is made from real fruit pieces. Not just juice, not just flavor. Actual fruit. The fruit is crushed, cooked with sugar, and thickened into a spread. That's why jam looks like this. Thick, chunky, slightly uneven. You can sometimes see seeds. You can sometimes feel the texture. That's because it's made from the whole fruit. People love jam because jam feels more natural. It tastes richer, more fruity, more real. When you eat jam, you're basically eating fruit that's been sweetened and preserved. Examples of jam: strawberry jam, blueberry jam, raspberry jam. All of these contain actual fruit pieces. Common jam mistake. Some people think jam should be smooth. Nope. If it's completely smooth, it's probably not jam. Now let's talk about jelly. Jelly is made from fruit juice only. No pulp, no chunks, no seeds, just juice. The juice is filtered, then cooked with sugar, and turned into a smooth, clear spread. So, how does jelly look? Jelly is smooth, clear or translucent, firm and uniform. You can almost see through it. Some people prefer jelly because it spreads easily. No chunks or seeds. Clean texture. It's simple, consistent, predictable. Common jelly confusion. People often think jelly is just another type of jam. It's not. It's made differently and tastes different too. Quick question. Do you prefer chunky or smooth? Type it in the comments, chunky or smooth. Let's see which one wins. Let's compare them directly. Jam, made from crushed fruit, contains pulp and texture, looks thick and chunky, more natural feel. Jelly, made from fruit juice, no pulp, smooth and clear, more processed texture. That's the real difference. Not branding, not labeling, it's just what's inside. So what about preserves? Now here's where people get really confused. Preserves. Preserves are like jam, but even chunkier. They contain large pieces of fruit, sometimes whole fruit pieces. So think of it like this. Jelly equals no fruit pieces. Jam equals crushed fruit. Preserves equal big fruit chunks. You might be thinking, okay, but why does this matter? Here's why. 1. You're paying for different things. Jam usually has more real fruit. Jelly is mostly juice, so depending on what you buy, you're paying for different ingredients. 2. Texture changes everything. Imagine a peanut butter sandwich. With jelly, you get a smooth bite. With jam, you get a textured bite. Completely different experience. 3. Labels can be confusing. Some products don't clearly say what they are, so you think you're buying jam, but you're actually getting jelly. Some sneaky labeling tricks. Here's where it gets interesting. Some brands use words like spread, fruit spread, strawberry spread. That doesn't always mean jam or jelly. Sometimes less fruit, more sugar, more additives. This is what to look for. Always check. Ingredients list. First ingredient should be fruit. Label must say jam, jelly, or preserves. What makes them thick? Both jam and jelly need something to thicken. That's where pectin comes in. Pectin is a natural substance found in fruit. It helps turn liquid into a gel. Fun fact: some fruits have more natural pectin, like apples and citrus fruits. That's why they gel easily. Now the big question, which one is better? The answer is simple. It depends on you. Choose jam if you want. Real fruit texture. Stronger flavor. More natural feel. Choose jelly if you want. Smooth texture. Easy spreading. No chunks. There's no right answer, just preference. Let's clear up some myths. Myth 1. Jam is healthier. Not always. Both contain sugar. Some have similar calories. Myth 2. Jelly is fake. Not true. It's just made differently. Myth 3. They taste the same. Definitely not. Jam equals richer. Jelly equals lighter. Here's the takeaway. Jam and jelly are not the same. They look different. They taste different. They're made differently. And now, you actually know the difference. Think about how many times you've bought one, thinking it was the other. That's money spent, without really knowing what you're getting. If this video helped you finally understand the difference, hit like, subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5, and share this with someone who always mixes them up, because simple knowledge makes a big difference. Before you go, what do you prefer, jam or jelly? Comment below. Next time you're in the store and you see jam and jelly side by side, you won't be confused, because now you know the real difference. Thanks for watching, and check out our previous videos.